How to draw the Buffalo Bills logo, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing a small line in the center of the page. This will be the beginning of the sideways rectangular shape that will be going through our buffalo. So from this point, let's draw a long slanted line that will connect to the line that we previously drew together. Then we'll draw a second additional line right below this one. Fantastic! Now let's go ahead and begin to draw the outline around this shape on the right hand side. If I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video because this part is a little bit tricky, so be sure to rewind as you need to. So in the space between the rectangular shape and the outline that we just drew, we're going to leave that white. Now on the top left hand point, we're going to go ahead and begin to draw the top of the buffalo. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, and if you want to see any other football drawings like the Kansas City Chiefs logo or anything else, then be sure to check out the logo drawing tutorial playlist that I'll put a link to down in the description below. So now that we have the top half of the buffalo drawn along with the rectangular shape, we'll now want to continue to draw the bottom along with all four legs. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Now once we finish drawing this leg of our buffalo, we're going to want to go ahead and draw a couple other pieces that are not attached to what we just made. Fantastic, now we're almost all done. Let's go ahead and draw two more pieces for the legs on the left and right hand side of the bottom of our buffalo. So I know that so far the Bills are having a really good season, so I'm kind of inspired to draw other things related to the Bills. Do you guys think that I should draw Josh Allen? If so, let me know down below, or comment any other players that you want to see drawn from the Buffalo Bills. This is how to draw the Buffalo Bills logo. Don't forget that next I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today and thank you for drawing with me. And don't forget that if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like down below. See you next time. Hey, what's going on Buffalo Bills fans? Right below I personally picked a couple things that I think you might like. I picked the logo drawing tutorial playlist with multiple NFL logos, and I also picked a drawing of Patrick Mahomes to the left.